Tonight, one of Delaware's most iconic boardwalk attractions is preparing for a major change, but not just yet. The Haunted Mansion at Funland will undergo a significant renovation following the 2026 summer season, marking one of the first major updates to the ride in decades. The longtime favorite along the Rehoboth Beach boardwalk has entertained generations of families with its classic mix of spooky scenes, vintage effects, and nostalgic charm. Funland officials say the goal is not to replace the ride, but to preserve it. Plans call for updated technology, improved mechanical systems, and refreshed visual effects, all while keeping the character and feel that visitors have come to expect. For many Delaware families, the Haunted Mansion is more than just a ride. It's part of a summer tradition. Parents who rode it as kids are now bringing their own children, creating a rare connection across generations on the boardwalk. That's part of what makes this renovation notable. Funland, which has been family-owned for decades, has built its reputation on maintaining classic rides rather than replacing them, a philosophy that sets it apart from larger amusement parks. The Haunted Mansion will remain open through the 2026 season, giving visitors one more summer to experience the ride as they remember it. After that, the lights will go out temporarily as the next chapter of this Delaware landmark begins. And when it returns, the goal is simple, a new experience that still feels like the one generations grew up with. Thank you for watching Delaware Live News.